So guys, we are back and we are showing you guys how to get some of these doors, belt moldings, door cladding, door molding, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you guys how to remove the rocker panel molding. Rocker, I don't know, there's a bunch of ways you can call it. I call it a rocker panel molding because this is a belt molding. Show you guys how to, I've already made videos on how to remove and replace these guys or reinstall them. I'll show you guys how to remove this today, and then we'll reinstall it. If the door is closed, you can just put your hand back here and just pull. Like so, and just peel upwards. It's very simple. Yes, it's held on by a little bit of double tape, but these rocker panel clips do the majority of the job. Make sure they all come out. If they don't, you can pull them off and put them back on here. Go ahead and reinstall the panel. Maybe you want to paint them. I don't know. I've seen guys pull these off and repaint them, put them back on. You can do that too. So going back on, reinstalling this rocker panel molding, line these clips, these rocker panel clips with the holes, and just push. That's it. If you want to, you can put another double-sided tape on there. I don't. It fits fine, works fine. It stays on there fine. Very simple and easy to remove and replace and reinstall a rocker panel molding or door cladding or whatever you want to call it.